Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2603 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the coolant pump control circuit, which helps maintain proper engine temperature and cooling system operation. What does P2603 mean? P2603 stands for coolant pump control circuit high. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the electrical signal or voltage in the coolant pump control circuit is higher than the expected range. The coolant pump may be an electric pump used for engine cooling, turbocharger cooling, or another cooling circuit. The ECU monitors the pump's electrical operation and expects to see a specific voltage or control signal. If the signal becomes too high, the ECU can store the P2603 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2603, you may notice: check engine light on, engine temperature running higher than normal, cooling fan running frequently, overheating, reduced engine performance, poor heating or cooling performance in some vehicles, and sometimes limp mode. If the coolant pump is not operating correctly, continued driving may cause serious engine overheating. Component location: the coolant pump is normally located in the engine compartment and connected to the cooling system. Depending on the vehicle, it may be near the engine, radiator, thermostat housing, or turbocharger cooling circuit. The pump is controlled through an electrical wiring harness connected to the ECU. Common causes: the most common causes of P2603 include faulty electric coolant pump, short to battery voltage in the control circuit, damaged wiring, melted wires, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, faulty relay, incorrect battery voltage, or ECU problems. In rare cases, a short to voltage condition or damaged wiring should be checked before replacing the pump. Quick diagnosis: first, scan for additional cooling system trouble codes. Check the coolant level and inspect for leaks. Inspect the pump wiring for melted insulation or damaged wires. Check the electrical connector for corrosion or loose terminals. Check the related fuse and relay. Use a multimeter to test the pump's power, ground, and control circuit. If your scan tool supports active testing, command the coolant pump on and verify that it operates correctly. How to fix P2603: repair damaged wiring, repair any short to voltage condition, clean or replace corroded connectors, replace a faulty relay if necessary, replace the coolant pump if testing confirms failure, repair coolant leaks or restrictions, clear the trouble code. Then run the engine and verify that coolant temperature remains within the normal range. Final result: fixing P2603 will restore proper coolant pump control, help maintain normal engine temperature, prevent overheating, and protect the engine from serious damage. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.